All right, let's begin. Today I'm going to give you a little update on the 125 liter that I posted some videos ago, where I have purchased the amazing betta fighting fish. What was that? I'm sorry, my daughter is watching Despicable Me, and I like that movie so much, so I can hear it. And the betta likes some vegetation, and that fish tank do have vegetation, and it's coming in now. I spoke about all of that in that previous video, but nonetheless they are not growing fast enough, so I bought some new plants for that fish tank to just fill in the blank spaces, and we are going to plant those plants today. And I thought, why not pick up the camera and bring you along. You know, I have probably just done a little planting video on my 20 liter, but another one can't harm. They are new plants, another fish, a different fish tank with different species. So let's just jump right into it. So I will start with the boring part, cleaning the plants. And well, it's a little bit boring, but not that boring, and I can show you the plants also. So let's pop the bag. Everybody uses a different way to tie these bags. Quite interesting, actually. And both ways works just fine. It's just preferences. Anyway, this bag is going to fall over and spill over. Just this stem plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 individual plants in one pot. It's Bacopa amplexi. Bacopa. Let's read this together. If the camera will focus on it, maybe not. There we go. Bacopa amplexicaulis. Bacopa amplexicaulis. Bacopa amplexicaulis, right? These are Latin names, like every other things. Plants and animal species, and I don't know, even rocks maybe. Then I couldn't control myself. I bought this Ecohindrus Ocelot green. I'm not quite sure where I can fit that in the fish tank, but we will try to fit it anyways, you know. Another Bacopa. And then I thought we were missing some contrast in there, so I went ahead and bought a red one. Where's the thingy? Is it focused? Yeah. Alternatera Renaikiki. Jajamensan. So that's the plants for. That's the plants we are going to plant this time. And you know, then it's just a matter of picking them out of the thingy, clean out the whatever you call it in English, this stuff. And like that, like this, and like that. like so. Oh, this one has poor roots, but these stem plants, they grow roots fairly quickly. If they thrive, of course. There might be a situation where they don't thrive at all. And then they just... Oh, this water is a little bit cold. There you go, that's a better temperature for the tropical plants and not this cold tap water here in Norway. And you damn know the water is cold here in Norway. I really enjoy picking out these plants. Really easy. Really easy. Because I hate this stuff. There we go, and then the alternate territory. I hope I can divide this one into 2 separate clusters. Seems like I may be able to do 3. Yeah, there's 2 separate clusters in this filter thingy. So let's a little bit hot. Like that. This is probably boring to watch. But it is part of the process, so I'm filming this anyway. And there's one, and the last one of the red stem plants. And the ocelot green, and I suppose this guy has been growing quite a while in the... Is this showing on camera? Yeah, quite a while on the in the fish store, because this is full of algae and the big roots. It also seems like there are 2 individual plants in this one too, actually. I'm not going to bother thinking about placing this plant because this is going to be like it's a huge plant. Well, not huge, it's fairly big. 30 centimeters maybe? I don't know what that's in Fahrenheit. It doesn't say. Yeah, 50 centimeters. So, whoa. So if this thing tries in there and roots well and all that stuff, we are going to have one hell of a big plant in there, which is totally fine. Is this a bulb? This is a cluster of something. Yeah, I actually think that's a bulb in there. Right here. That's not a filter. Just clean it out real quick, and then I'm going to rip off the long roots. No problem doing that. Okay. With all that done, I want to post the video, move everything into the fish room, my daughter's room, with the fish tank, the aquarium, and get ready for planting. But first, I need to show you the betta, if it decides to show its face now. But let's go there, all right? In here somewhere, he has been curious about me. When I show my face, he appears sometimes, and there he is. That's not a beautiful betta fish, I don't know. He's a little bit shy. No, this is a new environment for him. And all the surrounding fish are fast-moving, schooling fish. I suppose these two are a male and a female, as I wanted to pick out. Does look like it, and they stick together. Yeah, look at them. I hope I will see this guy in the red plant. The black on him will just explode in that background. Such a cool fish. Alright, I'm going to set up. Okay, so I would really like to have the big leafed green plant in the back where that crypt is staying, but the crypt is already staying there. So I'm thinking about maybe I want to put it in this corner, but I can also put it in this corner because this is just a huge space that's not used for anything. So let's go with that space. It's smack in the foreground, but that will create some variety in here, I suppose. So let's try it. Let's just do it. Right next in the, yeah, you know, that's going to be just fine. I need to go. I know speech impairment difference impairment. I need to go get a towel. I was trying to say to put on the floor. And I want a red one, then a green one, and then a red. All the red and the green in the background right there. I think that will be pretty. It's a tight spot, so I have some tweezers made for exactly this job. I have been doing planted fish tanks for quite some years, and this is the first time I had any big issues like with this fish tank specifically. I need to turn off the pump. Is it this one? Yes. And then let's just go straight ahead to planting. So red plant. You know what, let's put another one in there. In the same spot. And as I said, this is a tight spot, I can't see what I'm doing. I hope that's fine. I can't see I can't see the roots at all. And then I want the green plant, the green stem plant. Right in there next to it. I want both of them there maybe, or should I do anything in this corner too, behind the crypt too? That's the question. Oh, that's for a future project. As I get clippings from this, I can put them elsewhere. Yeah, you know, maybe. Okay, and then let's do a red one in the right corner. In the right corner, that was the I was supposed to say. Right there. And then let's just view it for a split second. No, it doesn't do. How do you know the other plants are going to grow in? Let's keep it there for now. Put the lid back on. Like that. The tweezer there. Where's the rock? There's the rock. I collected rocks in a riverbed one time and tried to use them in a cool scape I had for my variety of Plegos back in the day. Turns out these rocks are smack full of iron, and iron lowers the pH, so my pH suddenly was down to 5. Let me tell you, 5 pH, that's not good. I'm just quickly going to clean up because I made a mess on it. Let's. Oh shit! My daughter's stuff here. What even is this? Some very cool sheets of aquatic insects. I don't know, what do you think? When the plants in the foregrounds are growing in, you know, there's a big plant there, that's a stem plant there, that's going to grow. The stem plant there starting to grow. Oop, I pressed the button. The crypt. Stuff there, here, everywhere. And now with the big plant there, I think this will be cool. So I don't know what you guys think. Looking at it from a distance, it's looking cooler already and more suitable for the betta. He's actually out. He's out checking out his new plants already. Such a magnificent color on a fish, that's just insane. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you liked watching it, coming along with the hobby and everything we do. But if you like it, please consider giving me a subscription. It's totally free. Like the video, also free, and it might help me in the future. So like, comment, subscribe, share, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.